This video is about the primitive data types in the Java programming language. Java has 8 primitive data types, and they are byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean, and char. The ones required to know for AP Computer Science A are boxed here in red. Int is used to store integers. If you can remember from math class, the definition of an integer does not include decimals. Therefore, int only stores positive and negative whole numbers, including 0 within this range. Double is used to store numbers containing a decimal value. It accommodates a very wide range of values and stores up to about 15 significant decimal digits. Boolean is used to store truth values and has only 2 options, true or false. Primitive data types are used through variables, and in order to use the variables, they need to be declared first. Here is the syntax for how to declare variables, starting with the data type, then the variable name, and then equating it to the value. In many programming situations, you will not want to give the variable a starting value. Maybe the variable will only take on a value if another condition happens. In those cases, you can use this option on the right instead. Here are some examples for declaring variables with and without a starting value. Java has rules for naming variables. First, names can only contain alphanumeric characters, which are letters and numbers. And also, the $sign and underscore are good too. Names cannot include other special characters like exclamation points. That being said, names cannot start with digits. Names are also case sensitive, so something like price in all lowercase is not the same as price starting with a capital P. This is especially important because you will likely be using variable names multiple times in the code. Lastly, reserved keywords cannot be used as variable names. These are words that already have a designated meaning in the Java programming language. Words such as class, while, for cannot be variable names. And on another note, names are also called identifiers in Java. That's some programming vocabulary right there. Lastly, here is a guideline that won't throw you a syntax error, but is still recommended. Programmers prefer using lower camel case, where we start the first letter as lowercase, but capitalize the first letter of all subsequent words. We do this because Java does not allow spaces in identifiers. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and good luck studying!